Jimmy from Cuffin Stuff. Well, today's the day. We're going to give away, right now in just a few minutes, not one, but 2 Monument 4-burner grills. Man, these things are nice. If you've watched my videos, you've seen several videos that I've done using that grill. And let me tell you, I really like it. I like the features on it. Man, the blue illuminated knobs are cool at night. And it just cooks really good. You know, there's so many gas grills out there, and this is as good a grill as I've used. That's all I can say. Now we've got 2. If you remember back, what we ask you to do, we ask you to be a subscriber to Cuffin Stuff Barbecue, be a subscriber to Monument Grills, and to comment on that video, Cuffin Stuff Barbecue. That was it. That's all you had to do to enter. And it's coming up. It is 12 noon on, today is Sunday the 23rd. That's when we said we were gonna draw it. So I'm gonna do this as a premiere. It will drop at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna draw 2 names, and I'm gonna use the TubeBuddy random comment chooser or picker, and I'm gonna use the first 2 names that come up that it chooses. Now here's what you're gonna have to do. If you're selected, you're gonna have to send me an email to cuffinstuffbarbecue@gmail. You can look on our website, you will see it, cuffinstuffbbq@gmail.com. Send me your name, your address. Now, it can't be a post office box. Honestly, you can't ship a grill to a post office box. It has to be in the continental United States, and it also, the grill has no cash value. You can't ask for the cash, you're gonna get the grill. And the Monument people are gonna shoot you out a grill, and man, you are gonna be tickled to death when you get this thing. So, as you can see behind me, I've got my laptop set up, I've got the GoPro on it, and I'll switch views to it. We're gonna do this live. So, let's quit yakking. And let's do what we wanted to do to start with, right? Let's pick a winner. Let's pick 2, all right? So, here's the first one. And 4 Seasons Barbecue. 4 Seasons Barbecue. Man, brother, I'm tickled to death that you're gonna get one. 4 Seasons Barbecue, that's number 1. All right, now, let's pick another winner. Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Can you believe it? Can't. Brother, you're gonna win one too. We're gonna send you a grill. You can put this thing out by your camper and enjoy many days of good barbecue, man, fun grilling. So, congratulations to Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Congratulations to 4 Seasons Barbecue. Thank you again to all my subscribers. I really appreciate the support this little channel has gotten. It has done way better than I ever expected it to. Thank you. We really appreciate your support and watching our videos on our little channel. So until next time, hang tight.